Okay, December 11th for Murena and Oihana. We talked about reviewing the format for negative in the past, so we didn't, and then a present tense verb. We didn't meet at work. We didn't talk to each other. Algo así, something like that. Okay. Some vocabulary. Grave, serious, serious. Um, Maybe like it's like empujar, press. In vez de push, it's press. So press something. Okay. We give examples. This is grammar. Sorry. We give examples instead of tell an example. Let me tell an example. Now, let me give you an example. And then the difference of all the time versus the entire time. All the time, things that happen maybe over and over or again and again. And the entire time is duration, something that happens the entire time you're there. And then if you want to tell someone fuera, get out. Get out. All right. Okay. Comida congelado, frozen food. Frozen food. And then carnicero, the butcher. A butcher. Y éramos 5 en el piso. There were 5 of us in the apartment or flat. There were 5 of us in the flat or apartment. And in a future class, we can talk step by step, going through a recipe, so we get better at giving instructions in English.